Good morning, dear students. Today we will study about autotrophic nutrition. What is autotrophic nutrition? The mode of nutrition by green plants is called autotrophic mode of nutrition. Why it is called autotrophic? Because in the previous video I told you that plants are called as autotrophs. Autotrophs means that they can prepare their own food. They are also called as autotrophs, or they are also called as producers. Okay, so since plants are called as autotrophs, the mode of nutrition in plants is known as autotrophic nutrition. Now, you all know, children, that green plants are very important part in the plants, and it is the green leaves which prepare the food for the plants, and that process is called as photosynthesis. Okay, what is that process called as? That process is called as photosynthesis. Now, since the plants, or you can say the leaves, prepare the food for the plant, they are called as the kitchen of the plant or the food factory of the plants. Clear? Why are they called kitchen of the plant or food factory of the plant? See, in your home, who prepares food for you all? It is your mother who prepares the food for you all. Okay, so in the same way, in the plant, it is the green leaves which prepare the food for the plant. So that is why they are called as kitchen of the plant or the food factory of the plants. Now, how do these green leaves prepare the food? The green leaves prepare the food by the process of photosynthesis. Okay, the process, this you have already studied in class 6, that the process is called as photosynthesis. Now, in photosynthesis, see, in those leaves, in the green leaves, in the cells of these green leaves, okay, every single cell in the green leaves, they have got very tiny structures inside them. Okay, like this, they have got very tiny structures inside them which are called as the chloroplast. Okay, they are called as the chloroplast, and this chloroplast, chloro means green. Okay, chloro means green, and plast means where the food is prepared. Okay, so these chloroplast, these prepare the food. They have this chloroplast, they contain a green colored pigment which is called as the chlorophyll. You all have studied about chlorophyll. Okay, so what is chlorophyll? Chlorophyll is the green pigment present in the plants. Okay, the chlorophyll is the green pigment which is present in the plant. And where are these chlorophyll present? This chlorophyll is present in the chloroplast, which is in the leaf. Clear? Now the chlorophyll, this chlorophyll, that is the green pigment, they absorb the solar energy and convert it into chemical energy. Do you know what is solar energy? Solar energy means the energy which comes from the sun. Okay, so what do? These chlorophyll, okay, the chlorophyll molecules, they absorb the solar energy. Okay, they absorb the solar energy and they convert it into chemical energy, and then this chemical energy is stored in the food which is prepared by the plants. I hope, children, that this much is clear to all of you. Okay, now in the process of photosynthesis, what happens? In the process of photosynthesis, the leaves take water from the soil. Okay, the leaves, they take water from the soil. What is this water? Water is H2O. Okay, water is H2O. So the leaves, or you can say the plants. The plants take water from the soil along with carbon dioxide. CO2 is carbon dioxide. Okay, so carbon dioxide is taken from the air. Then along with water and carbon dioxide, these plants, they require chlorophyll. Along with chlorophyll, what do they take? They take the sunlight. Okay. So, in the presence of chlorophyll and sunlight, the green plants prepare their food. And this food is in the form of glucose. What is the formula for glucose? C6H12O6. Okay. C6H12O6. What is this? This is glucose. Glucose, and then glucose, this glucose, that means the food that is prepared by the plants is in the form of glucose. Okay. So glucose along with what is released? Oxygen is released. Clear, children? I hope that this much is clear to you. So this is the equation. Okay. This is the equation which is used to represent the process of photosynthesis. Clear, children? So what happens in the process of photosynthesis? The green plants, they take water from the soil and carbon dioxide from the air in the presence of chlorophyll and sunlight. Okay. And what do they prepare? They prepare the food. And the food is in the form of glucose. What is the formula of glucose? C6H12O6. That is glucose, and oxygen is released. This is the process. Now, just now I told you that in the process of photosynthesis, water has to be absorbed by the plants. Now, how is this water which is absorbed by the roots of the plant, how do they reach to each and every part of the plant? Okay, now see, for example, you have got a tree. This is a tree. Okay. Now, this tree, now you have also got the roots. Now, you all know, children, that the roots absorb water and mineral. Okay. Water and minerals are absorbed by the roots. Now, this water and mineral, how do they get transport? Now, there are special kind of vascular tissues. Okay. There are special kind of vascular tissues. And what are these vascular tissues? The vascular tissues are xylem and phloem. Okay. The vascular tissues are xylem and the phloem. Now, see, these vascular tissues, they are like a tube-like structure. Okay. This is a tube-like structure. Now, in this tube-like structure, the water and minerals from the roots to the leaves or all parts of the plant is carried by the xylem. Xylem. This is called as the xylem. Okay. So the xylem carries, it is just like a pipe. At our home we all have got pipes now from where the water is carried. So in the plants also they have got a tube-like structure or a pipe-like structure which is called as xylem. Okay. And they carry water and minerals from the roots to all parts of the plant. In the same way, they have got one more tube-like structure. This is the another tube-like structure. Okay. And what does this carry? This carries the food which is prepared by the plants. Okay. The food that is prepared by the, by the leaves, it is carried by this phloem. Okay. So now as you can see here, this is xylem. Xylem carries water and minerals from the root to all parts of the plant. And then you have got phloem. What do the phloem do? The phloem, it carries the food prepared by the leaves to different parts of the plant. Okay, so this is the phloem. Now, the xylem and the phloem together, they are called as the vascular tissues. So I hope, children, that this much is clear to all of you. Okay, please go through my video very properly because there are many new terms in this. Vascular tissues, xylem, phloem, vascular tissues. What are vascular tissues? Xylem and phloem are called as vascular tissues. What is xylem? Xylem carries water from the roots to the all parts of the plant. And what is phloem? phloem carries food from the leaves to all parts of the plant. Okay, so children, please go through my video properly and then read the chapter. Thank you.